That was awesome with DS Diving. It was May 30th, 2023. It's the after video of Tates Toy. We're going to have a look at the water line real quick, just to get it on video. Just got cleaned, and I want to explain that here in like a week or two, it will not look like this. So I just want to document the amount of growth going on the water line, etc., etc. So let's have a look at her, see how she looks. That AC vent I just pointed out in the video looks like it's been smashed somehow, so it's completely covering the port. I can't get any kind of coat hanger or any kind of cleaning utensil inside the AC vent, so that's definitely something that I would get taken care of. I think I pointed this out in earlier videos, but just whereby your prop is bent. Keep looking. Alright, once again, always a pleasure. Thank you for choosing DS Diving.